Good morning, kindergartners. I hope everyone's having a good day. Happy Friday and day before spring break. We are going to do a daily number talk today using the double row Rekenrek. We have a very special guest today. We have Mrs. Graves with us today.
Hi, kindergartners.
So Mrs. Graves is a kindergarten teacher at Emerson, and she's going to help us with our number talk today. So what I'm going to do, I didn't bring my large Rekenrek, my large 2-row Rekenrek home, but I have one of my small ones. I've pushed some beads over on the top and the bottom of my Rekenrek, so I'd like you to look at it and tell me how many beads you think I've pushed over. All right, so here we go. See that there? It's hard to see. Okay, so again, pause it if you need to figure it out. But then we're going to have Mrs. Graves share what her strategy might be in order to tell us how many beads there are. All right, Mrs. Graves, whenever you're ready.
So I'm looking at just the top row of the Rekenrek, and I know that there's 5 red beads on the top and 5 red beads on the bottom. So I'm looking at that top row, and I know that there's 5 red beads, and then I see 1 more white bead, so I'm going to count on it, know that that top row has 6. And then I'm just going to count on the 3 that are on the bottom. So 7, 8, 9.
Okay, so think about if you agree with Mrs. Graves' strategy. Did you do something similar or did you do something different? Another strategy might be that you went through and counted all those beads. So counting them, it's hard to hold and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 3 more at the bottom, 7, 8, 9. So see if you agree with one of those strategies. Maybe you guys have a different strategy. I know some of you like to count by 2s. Some of you might have moved the beads in your head and set it up a different way. So just think about different ways you might have done that. All right, now we're going to do one more today. Get it ready here. All right, I'm going to show you the 2-row Rekenrek again. Sorry, I'm trying to hold it and hold the phone. All right, when you're ready, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, or give yourself a thumbs up. And Mrs. Graves, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right, how would you solve this one?
I think I'm going to use the same strategy that I used for that other one. I know that there's 5 red on the top, but I'm going to take 1 away because I know that there's not 5 up there. So that must be 4 on the top row. And then I see 5, all the red beads on the bottom. So I know that that's 5. So 4 plus 5 equals 9.
Huh, and that's the same answer we just had, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
So is it?
But it looks a little different.
So why is that? Why do you think that is? Are we able to do that with numbers?
Yeah, I think, did you just use 2 different numbers to make the same answer?
I think I did. So we can take the same number and decompose it in different ways, it looks like. Before we had 6 plus 3 equals 9. Now we have 4 plus 5. I like how Mrs. Graves pretended that there were 10. Sorry. Right? If there had been 10, all the red would have been pushed over on the top and the bottom. But since there was 1 missing, 1 wasn't pushed over, we know that 1 less than that 10 is 9. All right. Thank you so much, Ms. Graves.
All right, guys. Have a good spring break.
All right. Bye.